Hello everyone, I am Dr. Samana Nadig. White spots is very commonly seen on arms and back. Multiple skin issues that can lead to white spots. So coming to causes, there's one issue called Pityriasis Alba, which is a very common condition and it is not that harmful. So here there is white spots happening, itching and irritation. That's one reason for the white spots you can observe on your arms or back. The other reason being the vitiligo. Vitiligo is an autoimmune disease wherein the melanin-producing pigments are completely destroyed by your own immune cells and you tend to see white spots happening. Apart from this, some fungal infection, particularly known as Tinea Versicolor, is a fungal infection which affects especially on the back, arms and chest, where you see minute tiny white spots happening all over the surface. Apart from this, there is also a condition called dermatitis, also known as eczema, wherein the skin becomes rough, dry and leads to white spots all over the body. Not always a white spot is a sign of vitiligo. So as discussed earlier, there are other disease conditions which appear as a white spot, and there can also be certain age-related issues where you see white tiny spots forming. That is not vitiligo. So when a person gets aged because of wear and tear, or the melanin-secreting cells or melanin-secreting pigments are not present in the body, it can lead to white spot, which is not vitiligo. Apart from this, there can be injury or trauma. So if you have a fall or a very deep injury where the melanin-secreting cells are completely destroyed, it can remain as a white spot and it's not a vitiligo. So not every white spot is a vitiligo. And there are some people who come up with their kids. So when they are born, they have a white spot on their body and they get anxious if it is a vitiligo. No, it's not a vitiligo. Some kids do have birth mole which is white in color, and you don't have to worry unless and until it is spreading or it's developing in other parts of your body. So every disease has its own presentation. So not every white spot is a fungal disease or a vitiligo or any other skin condition. So when we take a history, we try to understand where is the location of the spot or a issue. So the spot, the location tells what kind of a disease is it. The appearance tells what kind of a disease it is. The shape, if it is regular or irregular. The texture, if it is rough or smooth. All these things help us to diagnose a condition. So if the patch is completely white, it can be because of no melanin pigment present in it. So it is vitiligo. So if there is slight shade as white, it can be because of fungal infection. So different presentation of disease help us to diagnose what issue it is. So if it becomes tough to diagnose what is this issue, there are certain tests which can be done, particularly known as skin biopsy. There is a part of skin which is taken to test, and that skin biopsy can give us the exact result as to what issue it is. Yes, homeopathy can definitely treat the white spot issue. So we need to understand first what is the reason behind it. If it is a fungal infection, the fungal infection like Tinea Versicolor has to be treated by improving the immunity. So we try to take the complete case and prescribe a remedy which improves your immunity. In turn, the body heals, fights back the fungal infection. So if it is because of vitiligo, so vitiligo is an autoimmune condition. So what happens in autoimmune condition is our own immune system fights against our body cells. So we need to prescribe an autoimmune remedy which reverses the autoimmune condition which is created in the body. So when such medicines are given, the autoimmunity is reversed and there is pigmentation happening. So we do have vitiligo patients improving when the autoimmunity is reversed in them. So we try to understand what is the cause, what is the mental stress that is creating autoimmunity in them, or what is the mental stress leading to other skin infections or white spot, and we try to correct the root cause and thus achieve cure in the cases of white spots.